What's going on, guys? So I made a whole video of disassembling this head because I have to send it back to a different machine shop to get the holes drilled out for the head studs. And I actually picked up a new GoPro since I've been gone, and I didn't realize how shitty it sounds with the housing on, so I'm gonna have to there's a microphone that goes right up here, and I'm gonna drill that hole out. Eventually I'm gonna buy an external mic and get that all rigged up so better audio quality. But so I'm showing this. I might throw the time lapse in of disassembling this. But anyways, we're gonna go outside, and I'm gonna first drill this hole out, see if that helps. Then we're gonna go outside and get the car ready to start prepping for paint and everything. This is another thing I brought back from New York. Ended up driving back there, long story, but brought this back down, so that's nice. I'm gonna set this up and take the brake booster out and start getting things ready to be painted. I set this up. This is the same one I used when I did my transmission replacement. So I plan to make this like right there. I got all this plastic. I plan to bring it down and kind of make this like a paint booth. So that way shit can not stick on the paint when I paint when it's drying. So that's the plan anyways. And it's gonna be nice also when it's raining and whatnot. I could still work on the car, so I'm pretty happy to have this back and not have to buy another one. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the brake booster out. Alright, so if you come in here, you go underneath. It's a pretty low light. 1 second. Okay, so hopefully you can see 4 bolts. Take those out. They look like 12. And the brake booster should be able to pull out. Trunk's full of freaking parts. This is when I first took the motor out. Oh man. I'll go ahead and show you guys how the motor looks right now. So, you saw the head. Now I got a lot of parts here. Been busy. There's the old 7-bolt. Whole bunch of shit. I'm not gonna use AC compressor. That's that. This is the motor. Let me turn the light on real quick. So yeah, I've been just having a lot going on. We don't need this. Pretty sure. That's just for the 1G. They use that instead of the transmission mount. So I painted this stuff. I messed this up. Oh well. Painted this gloss black. I painted this, but realized you don't need it. Got the power steering, alternator. Gotta buy the oil filter housing. I forgot I have to order a timing tensioner because they sent me the wrong one. Sent that back. I got my refund. But yeah, she's gonna look sick. Valve cover. It's a wrinkle black. It looks really good. So yeah, let's get started taking that brake booster out. Alright, next I take the clutch pedal and I shot fluid out. I think that was the pin that goes there. This is garbage. Last piece I couldn't get. What a difference. Alright, for some reason this GoPro battery is dying super fast. Brand new. It was at 52%, and it's at 14. I got another one, so I'm gonna go ahead and degrease this all one more time and then spray it down. Just using some foaming all-purpose citrus cleaner. Alright, so don't ever take my advice on bodywork because I am not a professional. You definitely didn't need to go, I definitely didn't need to go that low. So, no big deal. I think I'm just going to Scotch-Brite the whole thing. Okay, so the GoPro keeps turning off and have to keep repeating. You don't need to go that low. I'm just going to Scotch-Brite the whole thing. It does a lot more than I thought it would. And it looks good. So these strut towers are going to look good. The only spot that I would use something rougher probably is on rust or some really uneven metal. Other than that, like over there I did it. But I think Scotch-Brite, and then I'm going to go back with acetone and everything. It's going to be fine. Primer that I'm using is pretty thick primer. I didn't expect this paint to be so soft. But yeah. Just gonna rub everything and try to get it prepped best I can. Oh yeah, my hand's already. I don't even know how the paint came off like that. It's like I used acetone yet. I don't get it. I've only used water. So the back wall looks pretty good. I'm not gonna focus on that too much. I'm gonna down here. It looks pretty rusty, maybe from brake fluid or something dripping down here, eating the paint away. So I might hit that a little harder. But yeah, I'm greatly surprised how good this Scotch-Brite works. So I'll get back to you in a little bit because it's pretty boring to watch. Guys, so she's finished. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last, but hopefully it keeps a couple bugs out of there. It'd be nice. So as you can see, tape it along this. I can still open the doors. Might not be able to open the hatch, but so that. This took a little longer than I was hoping, but hopefully it pays off. Should. And now it's like a greenhouse in here. I'm probably gonna be done for tonight. Like I said, it took a little longer than I was expecting. Tomorrow I'll come in here and mask everything off, hit the first primer, make sure everything's good, maybe sand some, and then hit it with the black. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this audio's okay for now. If not, I'll try to find the mic sooner. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.